Here is how to change the mouse cursor on Windows 11, including its color, its size, and its shape. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with the playback speed setting, and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Change the cursor color and size. Press the Windows key plus I to open settings, then go to Accessibility and select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Under Mouse Pointer Style, pick White, Black, Inverted, or Custom. Inverted keeps the pointer visible against any background. Choose Custom to set your own color. Then drag the size slider to make the pointer larger. The change applies live as you drag. Method 2. Change the cursor scheme and shape. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then select Mouse. Scroll to the bottom and click Additional Mouse Settings. The Mouse Properties window opens. Select the Pointers tab at the top. Open the Scheme drop-down and choose a set. Windows Black, Inverted, Standard, and Magnified are all built in, most with large and extra-large versions. You can also change a single pointer instead of the whole set. Select a role under Customize, then use the Browse button to load your own cursor file. Then click Apply and OK to save. To undo any of this, set the pointer style back to white with the size all the way down and choose Windows Arrow as the scheme. That restores the Windows 11 default. That's how to change the mouse cursor on Windows 11 from its color and size to a whole new scheme. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.